and welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, hello, my name is Michelle and I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids, and here on my channel you'll see lots of cleaning, organisation and home decor, and I am super excited because today is the start of my Clean and Decorate series, and I am going to start my series by cleaning and decorating my coffee station and turning it into a hot chocolate bar for my kids for Christmas. My kids absolutely love this. They are actually on summer holidays whilst it's Christmas. It's crazy to think that because the majority of you are all rugged up because it is freezing cold weather. We do enjoy watching a Christmas movie in the evening, and the kids love hot chocolate. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy my Clean and Decorate series. There will be a few of them because I'm going to spread it out this year decorating for Christmas. But I also want to say thank you so much to all of you lovely people that have subscribed to my channel. I reached just over 1,000 followers the other day, and I cannot believe that 1,000 gorgeous people are following along on my YouTube journey. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate you all, and I'm going to stop nattering on. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do give it a big thumbs up if you do, and make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future Clean and Decorate videos from me. And don't worry, if you are not here for Clean and Decorate for Christmas, I will be having a couple of cleaning videos up during the week as well. So enough chatting from me, let's get decorating.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane.
Today for cleaning, I'm using the Method Wood for Good cleaner, and I'm also going to use this little mitt. I love this mitt because it's got a dusting side and then it's got a microfiber cloth side, so it's perfect for running around the house and you're not swapping out cloths all the time. And the reason why I chose the Wood for Good, one, I've got wood benches and oh my goodness, look at all those coffee beans on the bench, but also it smells like marzipan, and marzipan smells like Christmas cake, so I thought this was the perfect Christmas scent. I can't find any Christmas scents here in Australia, so if you're an Australian and you have Christmas cleaning scents, please comment below and let me know because I would love to get some. You can see there's a bit of paint peeling off the cabinet there. We actually bought our kitchen secondhand off Gumtree, and eventually I would love to repaint the cabinets and make them a gloss white, but until then it's kind of hidden that worn off paint, so I don't actually mind, but that's why there is paint missing on that cabinet.
Only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you
picture Olivia made for me a few years ago for our cocoa bar when we first made it, and I absolutely love it. These are the things that I love at Christmas time, the sweet little memories you find as you're unpacking boxes, and it's just so cute and I absolutely love it. As you'll tell, I move things around a lot when I'm decorating, and I probably will move them around again. And if you're wondering where I got that tiered tray from, I got it at Pottery Barn last year. I got it posted to me. They posted it really quick, so if you're after one, then definitely check out Pottery Barn.
Right around
Hey Google, how many days till Christmas?
Christmas Day will be in 42 days.
Beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and
I would love for you to comment below and tell me what colours are you decorating this year for Christmas. Are you doing traditional like me, or do you choose a different colour? In Olivia's room we're doing pink, Isabel's are green, which is kind of Christmas but not, and Will's doing blue, and then our Christmas tree that we will be putting up down in our swimming pool area, because it's summertime obviously we have Christmas outside. I pop on all the decorations that we've collected over time, so it's a pretty bright and colourful tree, but I would love to know what colours you guys decorate with.
no, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So I will probably have to restock this cocoa bar probably 10 times over before Christmas, but I collect a lot of food and I pop it in a box, a lot of staple items for Christmas, and I buy them each week and I collect them in the box, so that way when it comes to the Christmas shop and it's closer to Christmas, that it's not one big shop at the end. I've got a lot of my staples, and hopefully the kids won't watch this video and see that there's chocolates hidden in that Santa, because they definitely will go, and if Chris finds them, they definitely won't last.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Who is on his merry way? It's Santa. Who wants nothing more than bring you joy? Who has got a flying sleigh but Santa? Who keeps track of every girl and boy? The whole world knows him well as Saint Nick or Père Noël, and once a year he'll go barreling through the snow. Who makes every Christmas gift? It's Santa. Who comes down the chimney late at night?
One thing I forgot to get was batteries for my fairy lights, so that is on my to-do list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some decor inspiration, and if you end up making a cocoa bar after you've watched this video, I would love for you to tag me on Instagram and I can share that to my stories. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!